Welcome to the amazing world of EYELEDS, the new generation of light experience based on LED technology. EYELEDS is the perfect accessory to enhance your home. The warm and luxurious light output provides a modern alternative to traditional candlelight. EYELEDS are also perfectly suited to professional situations such as offices and public buildings. EYELEDS is easy to install. EYELEDS is a patented light innovation. The solid construction is designed to withstand heavy use. Walking or driving over the lights is not a problem. 3 LEDs are integrated in a housing with a negligible recess depth of only 6.5 millimeters. Light-emitting diodes, generally known as LEDs, are semiconductor components that transfer electrical power directly into light. EYELEDS is safe because of the low voltage circuitry, but you won't need to overhaul your home's electrical wiring. Impress yourself with EYELEDS.